Hello everyone. In this video we discuss objective question set 2 of a novel Jude the Obscure. In the previous video we had done set 1. So let's start. Question number 1 is, what happens to Zeus statues? Zeus buys two statues of the pagan god, first of Venus and second of Apollo, that she places in her home by lying to her landlady that they were the statue of Christian saints. And when her landlady get to know about it, her landlady destroys them. So the answer is A, her landlady destroys them. Next question is, why does Jude suggest Zeus take up teaching? Options are, he thinks it would suit her maternal personality, he wants her to ingratiate himself with Mr. Phillotson, it is the most intellectual challenging job available to a woman, it pays better than her current job. ज्यू जो है वो स्यू को क्यों सजेस्ट करते हैं कि वो अपना करंट टीचिंग जॉब को वो ऑप्ट करे फिलॉटसन के पास? तो द ऑप्शन आंसर इज करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, बिकॉज इट इज़ द मोस्ट इंटेलेक्चुअली चैलेंजिंग जॉब अवेलेबल टू अ वुमन. Next question is, how long will it take for Jude to earn enough money to enroll in the university? Answer is 15 years. It will take Jude 15 years to earn enough money to enter into the university or enroll into the university. Next question is, what does the dean at Christminster suggest Jude do? Jude wrote to 5 professors describing his circumstances and his will to enter into the university. Only one professor of Balliol College wrote back to him and suggested him that he should be in his current job and current circumstances. So the answer is, what does the dean at Christminster suggest Jude to do? He suggests him to remain in his current profession. Next question is, what does Jude recite in the pub? Thomas Wyatt, Plato, Bible or Seneca? Answer is the Bible. Next question is, where does Jude go immediately after he get drunk and recites at the bar? So options are, जब वो Jude जो है, when he is rejected, he does not get any positive response for any of the professor. So Jude after that immediately drinks out of frustration, and at the bar he is asked, he is challenged for his knowledge, and then he recites at the bar. So after reciting at the bar, he feels pathetic, he feels that all his learning is to do the show off at the bar, and from there he goes at some place. So question is, what is that place? Options are his old home in Mary Green, Zeus house, Aunt Drusilla's house, Melchester. Answer is Zeus house. Next question is, who suggests that Jude become a licentiate? So when Jude gets to know that he cannot enter into the university, he meets a clergy at Mary Green whose name is Mr. Highridge, and he suggests Jude that he can become a licentiate if he give up drinking. So who suggests Jude become a licentiate? Mr. Highridge. Who is he? He is a clergyman in Mary Green. Next question is, what will Jude need to give up to succeed a licentiate? As I already told you that Mr. Highridge suggests that Jude still can enter into the church as a licentiate if he give up drinking, if he gives up drinking. So the answer is heavy drinking. Next question is, why does Sue go to Melchester? Sue जो है वो Melchester क्यों जाती है? So he goes to Melchester in a training college. So she goes there to get a vocational training. Answer is B. Who encourages Sue to go to Melchester? Options are Miss Fontover. Miss Fontover is her landlady. Remember, Fontover is her Sue's landlady. She is her landlady. She is the one who smashes her ideal of Venus and Apollo. Mr. Phillotson is her employer, जिसके स्कूल पे वो काम करती है. तो आंसर इज B. Next question is, what does Sue claim has replaced the cathedral as the center of town's life? कि टाउन के लाइफ को जो है कैथेड्रल was the center. So what should be replaced cathedral with? So the answer is D, the train station. Why do Jude and Sue spend the night in the Safford's cottage? Jude and Sue moves ahead, and it becomes very late on a holiday, and they cannot return back. So this is the reason they have to return. They have to stay at the Safford's cottage. So options are because Sue is too tired to walk home. It is only place they can be intimate without being seen. They want to enjoy the rural scenery because Sue is injured. The answer is A number, because Sue is too tired to walk home. Answer is A. Next 30 number question is, what does Jude think about Sue's admiration of rural life? When Sue sees the rustic life, shepherd's life, she feels that this is better than the town life. But Jude was persistently working to enter into the academic life. So he says he feels skeptical about Sue's admiration of the rural life. उस पे संदेह करता है whether Sue is right or wrong about it. So answer is he is skeptical about it. Next question is, how does Sue get across the river around the training college? जब वो when she is learning as a training college, and training college is very strict. When Sue goes outside and she cannot return for overnight, so college authority calls her, or as a punishment she has to live in a solitary confinement for a week. Sue को जो है solitary confinement में रहना पड़ेगा एक week के लिए. Sue feels that this is an injustice given to her. ये injustice है और ऐसा punishment उसको नहीं मिलना चाहिए. हालांकि कॉलेज की जो ट्रेनिंग कॉलेज की जो बाकी लड़कियां रहती है, they are ready to revolt, but इसी के बीच पे जो है Sue जो है she jumps out of the window and flees from there, and there is a river and she wades across it. While other things that she drowned, she does not drown, rather she comes to Jude's place. So the answer is she wades through the river. जब वो ट्रेनिंग कॉलेज में उसको सॉलिटरी कन्फाइनमेंट एक वीक का पनिशमेंट मिलता है, तो वो खिड़की से कूद के भाग जाती है, बिकॉज शी बिलीव्स दैट दिस पनिशमेंट वॉज नॉट राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई डज Jude lend to Sue? What does Jude lend to Sue when she comes to him after escaping the training college? The answer is clothes. Who does Jude's landlady think Sue is? जब Jude आती है तो उसकी लैंडलेडी को क्या लगता है कि वो कौन है? तो वो उसको लगता है कि वो Jude का कोई मेल फ्रेंड है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विथ whom does Sue stay in Saston? वो Saston में वो किसके साथ रहती है? तो अपने फ्रेंड के सिस्टर के साथ रहती है. Next question is, how does Mr. Phillotson find out Sue has been expelled from the training college? तो Sue does not inform Mr. Phillotson that she has been expelled. Rather, she goes to Saston, live with her friend's sister. So Mr. Phillotson visits Sue in the training college, and there she is informed that because Sue fled, she was fired from the college. So how does Mr. Phillotson find out? He tries to visit her and finds that she is gone. He tries to visit her and finds that she is gone. So the answer is A. Next question is, what does Jude gives to Sue as a wedding present? तो वो उसको क्या देते हैं? वो उसको एक व्हील देते हैं. वो क्या देते हैं? एक व्हील उसको वेडिंग प्रेजेंट देते हैं. उन्होंने अराबेला को एज अ वेडिंग प्रेजेंट क्या दिया था? अपना पोर्ट्रेट, अपना फ़ोटो दिया था. जूड को क्या देते हैं? एक व्हील देते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु गिव्स Sue अवे एट हर वेडिंग? जब Sue जो है को जब पता चलता है कि जूड की ऑलरेडी शादी हो चुकी है अराबेला से, सी बिकम्स डिस्ट्रॉट एंड सी अग्रीज टू एक्सेप्ट Mr. Phillotson proposal to get married. Jude is so naive that she does not know the sexual aspect of the marriage, and she agrees to marry Mr. Phillotson in spite of the age difference, because she thinks that it is the best way to pursue her intellectual career. So at the wedding, before the wedding she writes Jude that she is getting married Jude should have stopped her from getting married, but he does not do so. And later Sue sends another letter in which he asks Jude to give her away in the marriage. So what is giving her away in the marriage? Like in Indian culture, when जब शादियाँ होती है तो यहाँ पे कन्यादान होता है, तो माँ बाप जो है बेटी का हाथ जो है वो देते हैं, किसी के हाथ में देते हैं. तो वैसे ही क्रिश्चियनिटी में लड़की का हाथ जो है कोई मैन जो है वो उसको दूसरे मैन को देना होता है. तो इट इज़ डन बाय सम मैन. तो स्यू जो है वो ज्यूड को बोलती है, क्योंकि उसका कज़न है, तो उसको बोलती है कि टू गिव हर एट हर वेडिंग. तो क्वेश्चन इज हु गिव्स स्यू अवे एट हर वेडिंग? सो आंसर इज ज्यूड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डज अराबेला ऑफर ज्यूड व्हेन दे एनकाउंटर ईच अदर एट द बार? तो अराबेला जो है इसी बीच में अगेन जब स्यू की शादी हो जाती है, मीनवाइल ज्यूड वाज नॉट ड्रिंकिंग, बट देन ही अगेन गोज टू द पब, और उस पब में वो देखता है कि अमंग द बारमेट देयर वाज अराबेला टू. तो अराबेला उसको इन्फॉर्म करती है कि उसको लगा कि ज्यूड जो है ऑलरेडी मर चुके हैं और वो 3 महीने से यहाँ पर ही है. और अराबेला उसको क्या ऑफ़र करती है? अराबेला उसको ऑफ़र करती है अ फ्री ड्रिंक, ऑफर्स अ फ्री ड्रिंक. And then they drink, and then they go to an inn, and then they spend a night together. Why does Jude get angry at Arabella when they meet at Christminster? जब अराबेला यहाँ पे मिलती है क्राइस्टमिंस्टर में, where there she has arrived for 3 months, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया से 3 महीने पहले रिटर्न हो गई है. उसको लगा कि जूड मर गया था और वो एज अ बारमेट काम कर रही है. और जब वो अराबेला आती है तो वो इन्फॉर्म करती है कि उसने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ऑलरेडी दूसरी शादी कर ली है. तो शी हैज़ एंटर इनटू द बाइगैमी. तो किसके साथ शादी की? वहाँ के इन कीपर के साथ, जिसका नाम है कार्टलेट, उसके साथ उसने शादी कर ली है. तो जूड जो है अराबेला पर एंग्री क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि वो बताती है दैट शी हैज़ एंटर इनटू बाइगैमी, दैट शी हैज़ रीमैरिड. बट अराबेला जो है जू को रिक्वेस्ट करती है कि उसकी शादी को एक्सपोज ना करने, क्योंकि बाइगैमी जो है में अगर वो एंटर करती है तो हर रिलेशनशिप विल ब्रेक. तो नो बडी शुड नो दैट शी वॉज मैरिड टू हर हस्बैंड एंड द अदर्स शुड नॉट नो दैट दे आर नॉट डिवोर्स्ड येट. तो दिस इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 23rd नंबर क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट हॉबी डज ज्यूड टेक अप वाइल लिविंग इन मेलचेस्टर? सो इट इज़ सिंगिंग. जब वो मेलचेस्टर में रह रहे होते हैं तो ही लर्न सिंगिंग एंड ही सिंग्स फॉर द चर्च choir. तो दिस इज द आंसर, सिंगिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Why does the composer want to change profession? तो जब वो चर्च क्वायर में होते हैं तो he listens a song and he gets very much heartfelt by that. So he जूड जो है वो उसके कंपोज़र से मिलने के लिए जाते हैं, और जब कंपोज़र से मिलने जाते हैं तो वो कंपोज़र बताता है कि जब उसने पोएम कंपोज की तो उसका कोई पर्सनल फीलिंग नहीं थी, he did it for money. बट क्योंकि इसमें पैसा नहीं है, इस पोएम कंपोज करने में, हिम कंपोज करने में पैसा नहीं है, तो ही इज़ नाउ शिफ्टिंग टू द अनदर प्रोफेशन एंड दैट इज़ ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू बिकम अ वाइन मर्चेंट. तो द आंसर इज़ कि वाई, क्वेश्चन वाज कि वाई डज द कंपोजर वांट टू चेंज प्रोफेशन? बिकॉज ही कैन नॉट इनफ मनी बाय राइटिंग म्यूज़िक. वो म्यूज़िक लिखकर उसको बहुत पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट डज द कंपोजर ट्राई टू सेल टू ज्यूड? ही ट्राइज टू सेल हिज वाइन टू, because he is becoming a wine merchant now, so he is trying to sell Jude to his wine. So thank you. This is the set 2. We would, in the next video you will have set 3 of Jude the Obscure. Thank you.